7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at two altcoins, Dent and Bitshare. These are part of my altcoin portfolio. In this video we're talking about my exit plan, where I intend to take profit on these two altcoins. I assume, or I believe, we're entering Altseason. We're entering the period of time where altcoins will start going crazy, and in this video I'll be showing you where I'll be taking profits and why I'll be taking those profits. First, guys, let's start with Dent. Dent is ranked number 182 on CoinMarketCap, and Dent is an altcoin that actually dumps very well when the market is dumping. But guess what, guys? It actually pumps well when the market is pumping. Now, Dent is currently trading for $0.0024 per Dent. The market cap for Dent is $243 million. The fully diluted market cap is $248 million, and it has a trading volume the last 24 hours at the point of recording of this video of $44 million. Now we have over 99 billion Dents in circulation. So for Dent to get to $1, the market cap has to go to $99 billion. I don't think that will be happening. I'll be showing you why. Dent's actually trading on a lot of markets. It's on Binance, the biggest exchange in the world. It's on Gate.io, it's on FTX, it's on KuCoin, it's on Waziri, it's on all the major exchanges, and that's why we're talking about it. But before we continue on, then let's look at Bitshare. Now, Bitshare is ranked number 465 on CoinMarketCap. It's actually going for $0.02227 per Bitshare. It has a market cap of $66 million, a fully diluted market cap of $18 million, and a 24-hour trading volume at the point of recording of this video of $5,764,000. Now, Bitshare has 2.9 billion coins in circulation. The total or maximum supply it can have, the maximum supply Bitshare can have is $3.6 billion, but we already have 2.99 billion in circulation. Bitshare is actually trading on the major exchanges. It's trading on Binance, it's trading on Hubo Global, it's trading on Gate.io, on Bittrex, Polinex, and all your major exchanges, and has a lot of liquidity. Now, in this video, we're talking about exit plans on these two coins. You can see right here, these two coins are actually penny coins, or we call them penny coins or meme coins, because people are just going to buy them because they think they're going to go to $1. That's why I'm focusing on these two cryptos. I actually have a little of them, not a huge part of my portfolio, less than 1% of my total portfolio on these two coins, but I'll show you my exit plan. But before we go on, guys, we have to talk about Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin price chart, guys. I believe Bitcoin bull run is actually over, but before Bitcoin finally crashes to maybe this 13K region, I believe Bitcoin will come to this $55,000 to $58,000 region, and that is the 702 retracement for Bitcoin. And if you don't know what 702 retracement is, you can see that right now. If I use Fibonacci extension tool, from the top of Bitcoin that was at 69,000 to the bottom of this crash where we got to, which was actually at like 32,000. You can see right here, if Bitcoin does this retracement, that will get people so bullish. If Bitcoin can do this retracement, Bitcoin would have retraced more than 76%. And at this point in time, guys, a lot of people will get bullish. They'll think that, oh, we're going back to the moon. And why are you wondering, why is it the 702? I'm actually bothered about, because, guys, this is a very critical level for Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin is going to that level, guess what will be happening? You will see the altcoins going crazy. Now, let me prove to you that this has happened before, and I expect it to happen again. Some people always think this time is different, but guys, this time is not always different. All these things happen again because human psychology just works that way. This is Bitcoin, guys, in April 2021, when we had our first initial crash that took us to almost 47,000 from 64,000. Guess what happened, guys? We had our retracement almost to that 702 point. You can see right here, Bitcoin came to that level, and if you check all your altcoins chart, this is the period where most of the altcoins were going crazy. Now, at that point in time, people were getting bullish because, I mean, it looks as if Bitcoin was going to set a new all-time high. Why shouldn't it? Now, that was not the only time we have seen Bitcoin react to that level. Even after we had the major crash in May 2021, when Bitcoin had a major crash, guess what we did? When Bitcoin started pumping, we still went to that 702 retracement, and we got rejected off of it at the first go. You can see right here, from the place where we crashed to the bottom, Bitcoin got to this 702, 786 retracement, and there was a whole hype. People were doing El Salvador Day, and Bitcoin first crashed before it went up to set a new all-time high. So at this chart now, at this point in time, I'm expecting Bitcoin to do the same thing. Even though we'll set a new all-time high, which I don't think we'll do, I expect Bitcoin to retrace, and in that retracement is when we'll see the pump. Just like when Bitcoin was retracing at this point in time, this was when all your altcoins were pumping in August, September region. I'm expecting that same thing to happen right now. Now let's take a look at the Dents chart right now. This Dents against the US dollar. You can see right here that Dents actually had a wonderful bull run in 2017. In 2017, Dents went up over 36,000%. And guess what? In 2021, Dents almost did the same magical run. Dent had a 12,000% increase. So you can see Dent always used to have those magical increase, but with those magical increase comes magical dumps. Now Dent, after pumping over 36,000 in 2017, 2018, Dent dumps 99.93%. Now even after it dumps, even after Dent pumps 12,000% in 2021, guess what, guys? Dent actually dumped 93%, and this was the region where Dent was pumping when Bitcoin was doing its retracement. That's around September. We didn't know whether Bitcoin set a new all-time high. Dent still pumped over 400% right here. And a lot of altcoins even popped up to 200%, but Dent pumped 400%. And right now, Dent has been retracing. It has retraced 77%. This is one of the smallest dump for Dent. So I expect Dent to see higher prices. And we're going to talk about Bitshare in a minute. But I expect Dent to see higher prices. For Dent to go back to where it was at September, August, Dent has pumped 250%. And that's 0.0087 per Dent. For Dent to go back where it was in April 2021, Dent has to pump a total of 800%. You get an 8x return on your initial investment. Your $1,000 will give you additional $8,000 if Dent can go to where it was in 2021. And for Dent to actually go to its all-time high, Dent has to pump a 42x return. Now, don't be quick to start buying Dent. I'll be showing you why I don't think it might reach its all-time high. But before we go on, guys, let's look at Bitshare. Now, Bitshare is another crypto that had another magical pump in 2017. 2017, Bitshare had a total of 26,400% increase. And after that, guess what, guys? Bitshare actually had a mad dump, and it dumped over 98%. Now, Bitshare tried to pump in 2021. It had a very, very significant pump. It had a 1,500% pump. That's a 1,500% pump. And after that, it dumped to the whole market, and we have not seen anything else from Bitshare. Bitshare has actually dumped 89% since when it set that high. It set in 2021. It dumped to the rest of the altcoins. Only Bitcoin actually went to set new all-time highs. Bitcoin and Ethereum and some few altcoins, but a lot of these altcoins did not set a new all-time high. And now, from current price points where Bitshare is right now, for Bitshare to go back where it was in August and September, it has to pump almost 200%. For it to go back to its all-time high of 2021, it has to pump a total of 650%. And for Bitshare to actually get to its 2017, 2018 all-time high, Bitshare will have to give us a 39x return. That's a 3,900% return. Is that possible? We'll be checking other charts to know whether that is possible. But before we go on, guys, let's take a look at Dents versus Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is one of the main cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. Many of these cryptocurrencies actually trade against Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are the two main cryptocurrencies. And you can see in 2017, 2018, Dent actually had a major gain on Ethereum. It actually went up over 6,000% against Ethereum. But with the massive pump comes a massive dump, and against Ethereum since then it has actually dumped almost 99.6%. that actually almost lost all its value against Ethereum. Ethereum has been pumping, but Dent has been finding it hard to pump. And right now, guys, at some point in time in the future, I believe people will start flipping their Ethereums for Dent, because Dent, the pump of Dent will still come. At some point in time in the future, we'll still see Dent pumping, having that massive pump. You could see right here, it did it in 2021. Dent actually gained a lot of percentages against Ethereum in 2021. Let's see how many percent it gained. It actually gained over 2,800%, and I think that that's going to happen right now when Altseason comes right now. I believe Ethereum and Bitcoin has actually seen the end of their bull run. Now what remains for them is actually to retrace. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm seeing in the charts right now. And for Dent to reach the level where it was just in October 2018, Dent will have to pump 16x. For it to get to its all-time high against Ethereum, we'll have to see a 98x return on Dent. I don't think that will be possible, but time will tell. But what this is just telling us, guys, right, is that we're going to see further upside on Dent against Ethereum. Guys, let's go to Bitshare right here. You can see Bitshare has actually been losing value against Ethereum since when it set its all-time high against Ethereum in 2015. Since then, Bitshare has actually lost 99.94% against Ethereum. So that made more sense to be holding Ethereum all this while instead of holding Bitshare. But guys, I believe at some point in the future the trend will reverse. When Altseason comes, guys, rationality is thrown out the window. You'll be wondering, why will people flip their Ethereum for Bitshare? It's just human psychology. People run to where there's profit. And right now, Ethereum's, I think the profit in Ethereum will not be that much. Ethereum is currently trading for above $3,000. Even Ethereum goes to $10,000. That's just a 300% increase. And imagine what the crowd will start doing when all these altcoins start pumping 10x, 20x, 30x. You see, for BitShare to actually go to 2017 all-time high against Ethereum, BitShare will have to pump over 11,000%. Is that possible? Guys, this is crypto. Anything is possible. Now, this is Dent against Bitcoin. It's almost the same story with Dent against Ethereum right here. You can see that Dent against Bitcoin has lost so much value. So it probably lost 99.7% of the value. And at some point in time in the future, just as always, the crowd will start flipping their Bitcoin for Dent, because what we know about people is that they run to where there's profit. And to be honest, in the last 1 year, the profit has been in Bitcoin, has been in Ethereum. If you have been holding Bitcoin, you have been holding Ethereum, you have been doing well in the last 1 year. But the end of the crypto cycle always comes with a bang. I always say this in all my videos, guys. The market's not going to end in a limp. The market always ends with a bang. When everybody thinks we are bullish, we are going to the moon, that is when the market will end. So I'm expecting higher prices for Dent against Bitcoin. The same thing, guys, I'm expecting higher prices for BitShare against Bitcoin. You can see right here that all the time where BitShare is gaining value against Bitcoin is during the bull runs. It's during those alt season. That's when BitShare gains value against Bitcoin. We had the first alt season here, the way it gained significant value in 2015. Now we had another alt season here in 2017, the first alt season we had before Bitcoin set a new all-time high. Then when Bitcoin started mooning and going up, it lost value against BitShare. And when Bitcoin got to 20k, guess what? We had another pump, and I'm expecting that same thing to happen right now. I'm expecting people at some point in the future to start flipping their BitShare for Bitcoin, and we're going to see significant increase in the price of BitShare. Because I mean, if Bitcoin can be 20,000 right here, and this is where BitShare was. Now imagine how much BitShare will have to increase. It will have to increase by 14,000% for it to match where BitShare is when Bitcoin was 20,000. That's a lot of gymnastics that, but all this is just telling you guys that we're expecting higher prices in the price of BitShare in the future. Now, guys, let's take a look at Dent's market cap. This is going to be very tricky right now. So I was telling you guys about Dent versus the US dollar and why I believe Dent might not actually set a new all-time high on the US dollar pairing. And it all boils down to the Dent market cap valuation. You can see right here that if we go to the top of the previous bull run for Dent market cap to the bottom of the bear market, you can see right here that we have actually set a new all-time high on the market cap chart. So what it's telling us right now that is this, in this 2018, when Dent got to this price point, majority of the Dents were not in circulation. The coin was just new right there. A lot of the coins were not in circulation, but right now you can see right now that we set a new all-time high on the US dollar pairing of Dent. We didn't set a new all-time high. We didn't even get close to the previous all-time high. So right now, for Dent to actually reach its full Fibonacci extension, just like Bitcoin and just like Ethereum, Dent will have to pump a 19x. And let's see what will happen if Dent is pumping a 19x on the price chart. Where will 19x carry us to? A 19x will carry us barely to the all-time high, and we're not going to cross the all-time high for Dent to pump to the all-time high on the dollar pairing. But you can see that on the market cap pairing, a 19x is sufficiently what will carry us to an all-time high, and I think that's what will get a lot of people wrong-footed. They'll be looking at the dollar pairing, telling themselves, oh, Dent has not got to an all-time high, there's still room to run, and they will get wrong-footed. And guys, why do I know this? Because I got wrong-footed too. I was not looking at the market cap price chart when the first bull run in 2021, the first alt season that happened in 2021, this alt season here, I did not take profit, and I had to ride Dents down and up to this region. Now I'm more wiser in the game. I could see it for what it is. You have to be checking the market cap of all these coins, and the same breath you have to check the market cap of BitShare. Now the market cap of BitShare is fairly the same with the dollar pairing of it. For it to reach its previous all-time high for the market cap pairing, we have to see the market cap of BitShare have to go up over 3,300%. Now, the dollar pairing, for it to go to its previous all-time high, the dollar pairing will have to go almost the same percentage, but 3,700%. So you can see it's almost the same region, and that's the difference between BitShare and Dent. You have to make a decision by yourself. Which coin will you want to buy? Will you want to get Dent, or will you want to get BitShare? For Dent to get to its previous all-time high on the market cap pairing, it has to go up 19x. For BitShare, it has to go up over 33x. Guys, this is not financial advice. Do your research before you buy all these coins. I'm just showing you what I'm going to do. These coins I'm showing you right here constitutes less than 1% of my portfolio, but these are my exit plans. I believe Altseason is coming and I'll be taking profit at this critical region, because after I've gone 20-30x on the coin, guys, what are you really waiting for? If Bitshare gets to its previous all-time high and you sell your coins, all you're missing is just 300%. And if Dent gets to its previous all-time high where it is right now, if Dent gets to its previous all-time high, you're already up 700%. Even if you sell where it got to in 2021, what are you missing right here in Dent? You're just missing barely 156%. So you can make your own decisions by yourself. I'm just showing you what I've seen in the chart, and you can see the dominance of all these coins too are actually down. The dominance of Dent actually reached its all-time high. It actually touched its all-time high where it got to in 2017. That's another reason why I believe Dent might be pumped, but it won't pump as hard as BitShare. You can see right here the dominance of Dent actually got to where it was in 2017, got there in 2021. So right now, for the dominance to get back to where it was, Dent has to increase by almost 700% for it to reach dominance where it was in 2021, and that will be a critical level for us for Dent to reverse. So that will be somewhere to watch. And BitShare dominance, that one, it actually has a lot of work to do for BitShare to get the market share it has that it had in 2021. For BitShare to get the market share it has in 2017, if you can get it back in 2021, BitShare will have to increase by over 30,000%. Is that possible, guys? This is crypto. Everything is possible. We'll have to see what Altseason will have for us, but guys, I believe Altseason is coming, and that's my price predictions for Dent and BitShare. Do your own research before you buy these coins, but you can see right now BitShare is going just for $0.02 per BitShare. It has a market cap of $66 million, and Dent has a market cap of $243 million and is going for $0.0024 per Dent. Now you might be wondering, why am I covering all these coins, guys? Because I believe when the retail investors come into the space, they'll be looking for all these coins that are less than $1. They want to find the next Doge, the next Shiba Inu. They want to get all those coins so that they'll get their money up fast, and that is how you make your money in this game. Now just remember, we're playing the money game. All you want to do is get your money up and get out, because the dump is coming, and the dump is very violent. Guys, if you want to follow me on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, on YouTube, is Mr. Legend Crypto. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Always remember, for crypto news and analysis, Mr. Legend Crypto got your back. Have a great day.